Okay. You wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to people? You wanna say hi to your friends? Hi guys, so his name is Roland. You guys know he's my nephew. I think my cousin's son. Yeah, I don't know. I honestly don't know what to call. But yeah, his name is Roland and he's just having fun. Say hello. Say hello. What are you looking at? Why? What is he looking at? Okay, say hello. Is that your own way of saying hello? Say hello, baby. Hello, people. How are you? And tell them to subscribe to my channel. Roland. Row, row, row. Row, row, row. Row, row, row. Row, row, row. Tell them to thumbs up. Oh yeah, make a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Tell them to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video, guys. Look at his thumb. Very tiny. Look at his hands. Open up your hands. Why are children always holding their hands very, very tight? Open them up, baby. How are you? Alright. Alright. Oh, he said bye, guys. Bye, guys. How are you guys doing? That is kicking. You're kicking up and down. So cute. Cover up, yo. Cover up, yo. Cover it up. Alright. What up, guys? Good morning. Alright, so Roland and the mom came for visits, and honestly I just finished taking my bath and oh my god, I'm just sweating. Okay, so I need some hair. Alright, so I'm just playing here with Roland. He's just so cute and adorable. How are you, baby? How are you, baby? Okay. Oh, he said I'm fine. Did you say you're fine? Did you just say you're fine? So he said I'm fine. And I said, did you say you're fine? I said, Look at their sinners. Yeah, look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at us. You're just feeling yourself here, right? You're just feeling yourself. Look at them. Come on. You're just looking at me. He's just so big. He's so much and so big and adorable. Alright, guys. So let me have some makeup done on my face. And I'm going to be right back to... Oops. You know what I mean. So see ya. Alright, say hello. Use your hand. And use your hand. Hold on to the camera. Yup. Alright, so Roland is looking at me having my makeup done, and I want to apply lip gloss on his mouth. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's not breast. He's too young for makeup. Let me clean it up. But of course, it's also good to moisturize their lip, right? Don't touch the camera. Should I apply? Apply makeup. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, let me apply makeup for your face. There's nothing there though. I'm just kidding with him. Let me apply makeup. Apply makeup for you. I'm applying makeup. Apply makeup for you. Alright, let me blend your foundation. Hold on. Let me blend. Remove your hand on your mouth. While you're having your makeup done, you don't put your hand on your mouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Remove your hand from your mouth. I said remove your hand from your mouth. He's dragging with me. He's dragging my hands. Remove. All right, let me have you make. Let me make up for you. That's okay. Look at your palette here. Now let me apply it for you. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Babies, they just want to eat everything that comes to their mouth. Look at him. Look at him. You're so cute. Alright, let me apply makeup for you. Ow! Ow! Hold on. Let me have my makeup done. Alright? Okay? I said don't look at me. Don't look at me like that. Look at the way he's looking at me. Look at the way this nigga is looking. Look at the way this. Why are you looking at me like that? I want to have my makeup done. Yeah. Hold on. Don't shout. Alright? If you shout, if you make noise, why are you saying I said don't say her. I said don't say her. I said don't say her. Just catch a fall with Roland here. If you shift, you're gonna fall from the bed. What? Why are you doing your hand like this? Why are you doing like that? Why are you doing your hand like that? Why are you doing your Look at him. He's laughing. So you enjoy what I'm doing to you, right? Yeah, you're enjoying it. And you're not paying me money. You know everything I do for money? So guys, they just gave him injection this morning. You know, the mom took him to the hospital, so they gave him injection, and it's been kind of, although they said it's going to take effect from 5 hours, so I'm pretty sure he hasn't started feeling the effects of the injection yet. That's why he's actually still very cheerful, playing, happy, and all of that. Because the last time they gave him injection on his 2 thighs, it was very painful. He was crying all in his stuff. I think it's actually getting to a time that he's becoming uncomfortable, right? You're becoming uncomfortable. You need to he needs to change position or something, or maybe he needs me to carry him. So the last time they gave him such injection, he was crying all through the night. All through the night and day he was crying. He refused even eating and all. So I hope this time he's not gonna be like, what? You're uncomfortable? You want to change position? I think he want to change position. You want to change position, right? Okay, okay. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Look at they're gonna see you cry. Sorry, baby. They're seeing you cry. Let me take him to his mom. Gonna be right back. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. What? Okay. Let me see. Continue my makeup. I imagine how mine is gonna be when I give birth and my baby is crying and I want makeup to to have my video done. Maybe it's gonna be like this. I'm just gonna hold the baby on my hand and be applying makeup on my face on the other hand. It's gonna be very I don't know. I know it's gonna be shy. Let me even see what I'm doing on my face. I'm actually using the mirror down there to apply this makeup. Okay. Alright guys, so let me attend to Roland real quick and I'll be right back. You just needed a change of position, right? 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 Look at them. They're looking at you. You were crying.